Welcome to Hospitality Connect. Hospitality is the home for more than 200 million people around the globe. The impact of COVID-19 in business is huge. Cancellation of trips, tickets, flights, weddings is very common as a result of this COVID-19 impact. So, thought of discussing a topic related to COVID-19 and to provide some tips to the hospitality industry. So, let's discuss COVID-19 bounce back basics for hospitality. Before discussing further about the topic, I would like to thank the viewers for sharing ideas, suggestions and feedbacks. Now, let us discuss about the topic. Point number 1. Communicate to your guests. Change the way of communication. Our guests are staying in-house safe due to this pandemic situation. Our duty right now is to inform them that we have started our business, we are open. So please try to convey this important message to the guests in different manner, more creative as you can. Effective use of social media. The strength of social media lies in reaching our guests at the place where they are. So try to make an effective use of social media. Next point. Provide safety and hygiene assurance. In this current situation, all famous brands are focusing in giving safety and hygiene assurance to its guests. Yes, this is the key for our guests to visit our establishment. Increase cleaning regularly. For example, sanitize door handles. If necessary, keep the doors open so that there is no contact with people to its doorknobs. POS and EDC machines to be constantly sanitized. Allow the guest to tap the card instead of doing it by yourself. Next point is physical distancing. Space out the business. Mark the areas so that the guests are very clearly intimated which are the areas to be used and which are the areas not to be used. Avoid double handling of objects such as biometric, comment cards, suggestion boxes, etc. Next point is social distancing. Develop window ordering. This was a concept which existed long time before. For example, to make you understand, like a drive-in or a takeaway concept. So this kind of concept is implemented now in order to emphasize on social distancing. Increase single-use items like disposable containers, tissues, etc. Reduce dining cutleries such as salt, pepper, that's the cruet set, and sugar, ketchup and other kind of condiments. Try to use sachets, which is an example for single-use item. Beverage takeaways. Kindly avoid using lids for beverages because you can sanitize your hand but you cannot sanitize your mouth. Next point is reach out your regulars. Loyal guests are the backbone of your business. Pamper them. Pamper them with your new approach. Introduce new loyalty programs. Make them your brand ambassadors so that they will bring business to your establishment. Next point is promotions and activities. Tempt guests to try us. Very simple. You need to come up with creative promotions and discounts if necessary. Come up with events and activities according to the calendar. Create a reason to connect with your guests. Point is embrace the local. Cross promotion with local retailers. Best one is mobile marketing. Make local employees your VIPs. At times, they might help you in bringing business. Develop local business network. Sponsor local events. At times, your local cab drivers will be a good source for attracting your business. Hope you would have benefited by this basic discussion about how to bounce back in your respective hospitality industry sector. The check it out hotel chain for this video is Shangri-La Hotels and Resorts. Shangri-La Hotels and Resorts, a Hong Kong based company started by Mr. Robert Kwok. A very strong Asian brand delivering quality and service among the people all around the world. Kindly check it out in the link below. The shout out for the video goes to Hospitality Warriors. Yes, Hospitality Warriors. Doctors are fighting against COVID-19 in hospitals, but our hospitality warriors are serving those doctors when they are quarantined in hotels. In this particular occasion, I would like to thank the hospitality warriors, especially involved in travel industry, who help in transporting people from the COVID affected area to their home safe. If you like this video, kindly subscribe in YouTube and stay connected to Hospitality Connect. Thank you.